Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Me Fatma. Respected students and colleagues, today we discuss important MCQs regarding biomolecules, proteins, carbohydrates, amino acids, RNA. Subscribe my channel and comments on the section box. First MCQs: which molecule is distributed more widely in a cell? The correct answer is DNA. Which is the reducing sugar? Galactose. Third MCQs: most abundant RNA in the cell is the correct answer ribosomal RNA. RNA abbreviated as ribonucleic acid. Name the simplest amino acid. Glycine. Most important MCQs regarding FPSC, PPSC, NTS, metric examinations, further board examination of your FSC. Mineral associated with cytochrome is correct answer iron, Fe. The most common secondary structure of protein is alpha helix, D. A high content of triglycerides are found in chylomicrons. You may see in the diagram, the word chylomicron has been derived from two Greek words. Chylos means milky and micros means small. Chroma, small milky globules. Hemoglobin. Most important MCQs regarding to NTS and board examination. The correct answer is quaternary structure. Hemoglobin, heme भी इसको कहते हैं, has quaternary structure. 10th MCQs: length of one of helix in a beta form DNA is approximately. Correct answer is 3.4 nanometer nm. In which of the following an anticodon occurs? Correct answer is transfer RNA, tRNA. Which of the following is the phospholipid? Lectin. Correct answer is lectin. Lectin जो है, lectinin is a type of fat composed of 4 parts: choline, phosphoric acid, glycerol, and 2 fatty acids. Next, which of the following biomolecules simply refer as staff of life? Staff of life, correct answer is carbohydrates. Which of the following is the simplest form of carbohydrates? Correct answer is aldehyde and ketones group. Important MCQs: aldehyde and ketones groups is the simplest form of carbohydrate. Which of the following monosaccharide is the majority found in the human body? D type. Most basic amino acids: arginine. Next, which of the following is the general formula of carbohydrate? Some students mark the answer in the B and A, but the correct answer is CH2ON. Which of the following is the smallest carbohydrate? Trirose. Glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde is the correct answer. Essential amino acid is the most important short question and also MCQs. Bonds that do not exist in tertiary structure, phosphodiester bond. Next MCQs 21. Nucleotide is formed of nitrogen base, sugar, phosphate. ये टॉपिक हमने बहुत ज़्यादा कीनली इसको स्टडी आउट किया है. न्यूक्लियोटाइड को मेरी इस पर पूरी प्रेजेंटेशन है जिसमें उन्होंने प्रोटीन्स को डिस्कस किया, न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स को हमने डिस्कस किया है, डीएनए को डिस्कस किया है, एंड आरएनए. नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज: व्हिच बेस इज नॉट फाउंड इन आरएनए? थायामीन. इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज: some students लगा देते हैं यूरासिल, साइटोसिन, एडेनिन, बट थायामीन नहीं होता आरएनए में. How many base pairs are there in one full turn of the DNA double helix? 10. Which technique was used to determine the double helix structure of DNA? The correct answer is X-ray crystallography. X-ray crystallography was used to determine the double helix structure of DNA. Analysis of a molecule of DNA found it to contain 200 adenine base, 20% of the total number of base in the strand. How many phosphate groups did it contain? 1000. Next MCQ is 26. A piece of DNA was analyzed and 15% of its nucleotides were adenine. What percentage will be uracil? 0%. How many different trinucleotides can be made using the DNA nucleotides? 64. ट्राइन्यूक्लियोटाइड्स कितने हैं हमारे पास? 64. रिमेंबर इट कि हमने ट्राइन्यूक्लियोटाइड्स की बात कर रहे हैं इसमें. 28 MCQs. A gene is essentially a sequence of many codons in a DNA molecule. Single codon in a DNA molecule. Chromosome. The correct answer is sequence of many codons in a DNA molecule. You may see in this box explanation है कि हमारे पास the sequence of codons is the instructions or recipe for making a particular kind of protein. Each codon specifies a specific amino acid in the protein. हर codon में each codon में हमारे पास specific amino acid जो है वो protein में है. Next MCQs. Portions of DNA molecule that do not contain the codes for proteins are called introns. You may see in this box, introns were once thought of as genetic junk with no function. In fact, some of them are subtle enhancer of genes. Other functions as buffer in case changed by absorbing the mutagenic effect of viruses. Still, other helps determine chromosome shape. The correct answer is introns. Important MCQs. Regarding your paper and your competitive exams, general knowledge. Next, the largest molecules in our bodies are nucleic acid. Nucleic acid, also known as a DNA, is the largest molecule. It normally consists of millions of chemical components bound together. Nucleic acids contain the genetic code for our genes. द करेक्ट आंसर इज न्यूक्लिक एसिड जो हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा हमारी बॉडी में जो है मॉलिक्यूल जो हमारी बॉडी में है वो न्यूक्लिक एसिड है. नेक्स्ट, ग्लोब्यूलर प्रोटीन्स डिफर फ्रॉम फाइब्रस प्रोटीन. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन MCQs. इवन डिफरेंस बहुत ज़्यादा इसका इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपका फाइब्रस प्रोटीन्स और ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन्स में हमारा डिफरेंस पूछ लिया जाता है पेपर्स में. तो स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो फाइब्रस की जगह ग्लोबुलर का और ग्लोबुलर की जगह फाइब्रस. तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ध्यान से पेपर. बीइंग सॉल्युबल इन एक्वस मीडियम. ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन्स जो है वो डिफर कर रहा है फ्रॉम फाइब्रस प्रोटीन्स इन बीइंग सॉल्युबल इन एक्वस मीडियम. Next MCQ, which of the following is a protein? Insulin. Which class of molecule is the major component of cell? Phospholipid. Important MCQs. Phospholipid is the major component of cell. These are the important MCQs papers for your papers. Subscribe my channel and like and comments also in the inbox. Thank you so much.